You get the auditions, but you're not really booking the work. Let's get into it. Why you are not landing the job. Number one, your headshot might not represent who you really are. When you create your headshot, that headshot needs to look like the person that's going to enter the room for the audition, or that's going to be on that self-tape. This is two different people. What roles you see yourself booking? Not that you want to book, but that you actually know for a fact that you can see yourself playing. Now, I got to be real with myself. If they want a sex kitten, I'm probably not who they're going to call. I mean, I got a sexy side to me. There are other ladies out there who are just organically sexual energy in their everyday life. I'm not that girl. I'm more of an upbeat, fun kind of girl. Yes, I can play seductive, but I also got to walk in the truth of who I truly am. Those are the jobs that's going to be a little bit easier for me to book. It's a little more center to who I am as a person. My thing just looks like I'm naked up under here. I better let my shirt show. Hold on. Oh, okay, here we go.